For rent or resale ba na 2 bedrooms ang hanap mo? Hi, my name is Jonas T. Aloveros. For only 25,000 pesos, pwede ka na makapag-rent ng 2 bedrooms corner unit dito sa Siena Park Residences by DMCI Homes. Siena Park Residences is located along West Service Road, Barangay San Valley, Parañaque City. Walking distance lang to SM Bikutan, terminal ng Jeep and FX going to Makati, Ayala, Alabang, and MOA. Unit size around 63 square meter, 2 bedroom corner unit with 2 balconies, fully renovated and fully furnished, with drying area at roof deck. Full DC inverter, split type aircon in living room and master's bedroom, window type and second bedroom. 2 months deposit lang and 1 month advance pwede ka nang makalipat. To all valued clients naman na willing bilhin ang unit na ito, PM me now. Again, my name is Jonas T. Aloveros and thank you for watching.